looks so... Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be recreating Ariana Grande's Grammy 2020 makeup. Ariana Grande is iconic queen. Everyone knows her, everyone loves her, so that's on period. Deserved a Grammy. Ariana Grande should have won. Like at least like 2 Grammys. You know, I'm kind of excited. I literally looked up some pictures of her Grammy makeup and they were so nice. I was like, yes, queen. Her hair looks good and her dress was bomb. I'm gonna insert some pictures of her little Grammy like day, night, whatever. She slayed everyone there. She was like the best dressed, period. Just going to follow the picture. Okay guys, welcome to my makeup bag. This is literally a pencil pouch anyway, so I don't think she's wearing foundation, but I'm gonna put some on anyway. I'm just gonna use the everyday foundation that I always use. Beauty blender. My beauty blender is kind of dirty, so please excuse that. Try and do the eyebrows. I literally don't have any eyebrow products, but I do have like an eyebrow like brush thing, so, and then the mascara and the lashes and stuff like that. So yeah, eyebrows. Her eyebrows look really good in this picture, and her eyebrows always look good, but I don't really have any eyebrow products, so what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna brush them out and make them as close to hers as I can. My eyebrows, they're really like big and chubby. And okay, now that I'm done with my eyebrows, I'm going to start on my eyeshadow. Okay, as you can see, her eyeshadow is really nice. It's kind of like this dark orangey color. I'm just going to literally use this drugstore makeup and try to blend it in. I'm not the best at color eyeshadow. I don't really know if this is going to look good on me, but we're gonna try it. Okay guys, so I literally just looked at her eyeshadow and I'm looking at it now. It's like more of an orange. It looks so bad on camera. Like, this palette kind of sucks because it's like, it's drugstore. It's literally, I think that's way better than what it was. Okay, literally done with the inner corner of my eye. I'm just gonna take a gold and mix it with red. Oh, okay. Kind of looks bad on camera, but it's whatever. Looks good. Okay. Oh my god, it looks so bad on camera. Now it's time for the best part. Eyeliner. I literally do not wear eyeliner ever. I never wear eyeliner. And we're gonna try it again. Well, her eyeliner is like bomb. Her eyeliner is always bomb. So this is gonna be a challenge and a struggle. I'm gonna try this. Hopefully this works. If it doesn't, oh well. Okay, moment of truth, peeps. Oh my god. Oh my god, I hate eyeliner. This is literally gonna ruin the look. That looks so bad. Oh my god. Guys, I look horrible. Try and use 2 mascaras to lengthen my eyelashes. Okay, I'm curling my lashes now. Okay, the first mascara I'm going to use is this Great Lash from Maybelline. Now I'm going to take my beloved Revlon eyelash curler and I'm going to curl my lashes with the mascara on it. That's as good as it's gonna get, okay? Yeah. I'm gonna go ahead and finish this side, and then I'm going to see you guys with the finished look. Okay guys, this is the finished look. I'm finally done with this tremendous, horrific, horrible, tragic time. This is literally so out of my comfort zone. I would never wear this outside. This is literally just for YouTube. I put myself through this literally just for YouTube. So give it a thumbs up because I suffered. Literally hate this makeup look. It looks so good on Ariana. Literally look at this eyeliner. Look at my lashes. Like, no, this is not clean. This does not look good on me, like, whatsoever. I never wear colored eyeshadow. It's just not for me. This is just not my look. This is just not me. Okay, you tone with it. I don't know, but it looks really good on Ariana. Ariana, your makeup artist did good. Literally, this is with drugstore makeup, so it looks really bad. The eyeliner is not that good, and, yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want more videos like this, me recreating celebrities' things, then you should totally subscribe and join the family. But yeah, I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys later. Love you.